Ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your questions? It's not magic, it's math. Today, we're breaking down large language models in the simplest way possible. A large language model, or LME, is an AI trained on massive amounts of text data, billions of words from books, websites, and articles. It learns patterns in language so it can predict what word comes next in a sentence. Think of it like learning to write by reading millions of examples. ChatGPT and Google's Bard are perfect examples. LLMs use something called deep learning. Imagine showing someone thousands of sentences with one word missing. Is not just someone thousands after he learn patterns. After hello, people often say goodbye. LLMs do this billions of times, adjusting their internal math until they get really good at predicting text. It's called training, and it takes massive computing power. Because LLMs predict text so well, they can do amazing things, write essays, answer questions, code, translate languages, and brainstorm ideas. They're not conscious or truly intelligent, they're pattern matching machines, but that's powerful enough to revolutionize how we work and learn. LLMs aren't perfect, they sometimes confidently give wrong answers, can't access real-time info, and reflect biases from their training data. They don't truly understand meaning like humans do. Think of them as extremely advanced autocomplete, not thinking machines. Understanding these limits helps us use them responsibly. Now you understand LMS, hit subscribe to learn more AI concepts explained simply, and drop a comment telling us what AI topic confuses you most.